Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. So, ngayon, we'll be having a quick restoration of an electric scooter. So, yun guys, this is the Yamaha Turtle King electric scooter. So, napaka-okay nito guys. So, yan, dumating sa atin yung unit, dinala ng customer natin. So, pinapa-restore. So, as you can see, medyo madumi and then hiwag-hiwag na yung fairings and then the seat is talagang sira na. So we'll be fixing that, and also yung brake master or the sa brake disc niya sa harap and then yung sa likod, so may problema na rin. So we'll be fixing that too. Okay, so as of now, let's see. So we'll try to use old batteries para ma-check kung running pa yung unit. So unahin muna natin yung upuan and let's see what happens. So let's go. Yan, so bagong palit na yung restored na yung upuan niya. Right, so next stop natin is the brake master. So bumili tayo ng brake master sa motor shop mismo. So ito yung standard brake master ng XRM. So pareho din siya, parehong siya. So kung may i-modify, konti lang. Pero tingin ko okay naman, wala na i-modify. So same din, meron siyang brake sensor. So pareho lang. So yun guys, kung meron kayong unit na Yamaha Turtle King, alright, so nasa description ng video yung mga parts na pwedeng gamitin sa motor. So itong Yamaha TK or Turtle King, ang kinapit talaga niya is Yamaha Vino. Alright, so yung 49cc ng Yamaha, which is the Yamaha Vino. Alright, so as you can see on the upper right or this screen, ito yung picture ng Yamaha Vino. So same talaga siya. So napakaganda nitong papormahin. Alright, so we're gonna test it if it's still okay. So kabitan natin siya ng mga pang-test nating battery. So kahit na bloated, siguro we'll be able to test naman kung umiikot pa yung hub. So ito Yamaha TK, yung Turtle King, Yamaha Vino look, runs on 1000 watt electric hub. Alam ko yun yung default. Let's check. Yeah, it's 1000. Yeah, 1000 watts. Let's double check. Yeah, Yuma motor, 1000 watts, 60 volts. So all we need to have is 5 pieces na 12 volts SLA batteries to check. So kabitan natin. Let's see what happens. Okay, so nilagyan natin ng mga pang-test nating batteries. So 60 volts to 5 pieces. So test natin kung okay pa yung hub, kung tumatakbo pa. So ito kasing susian is stuck up. So tinry natin lagyan ng lubricant, so hindi pa rin. So i-repair ko pa lang. So try natin sa remote. Since yung remote is okay pa, let's see what happens guys. Moment of truth. Ayun, nabuhay. So ang ganda pa ng panel niya. Alright, so dito sa panel makikita nyo kung ilang volts. So ito 60 volts. So 60 volt system siya. So double check natin yung mga lights from may lights pa siya. Siguro yung sa switch na lang hindi kumagat. So ito double check natin yan, kumagat naman siya. So naglo-lose contact. Alright, so yun, tutukan natin. So yan, high beam, low, yan. So, medyo naglo-lose contacts na lang. Restore din natin yan. So yun yung sa lights. Yun, naglo-lose contact nga. So sa busina, wala na siya. So double check natin yan. So sa preno, okay sa sensor. So yun, yung park light, okay pa naman yung park light niya. Yung sa hazard na lang, so check natin yung linings na sa flasher lights. So ito may speed 1, 2, 3. So yung TK kasi up until I think 50 kilometers per hour. So sa speed 1, ayun, umaandar pa oh. Tining oh. So running condition siya. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. Oh, tining oh. Ang speed 1 niya is pag nakataas lifted is up until 39, speed 2, speed 3. Siguro pag brand yung battery I think 55 to, mag-55. So ayun. So gagawin ito, full restore natin guys. Stay tuned. Okay, and 3, 2, and bibili lang tayo ng ng mga screws para dito. Yan, kasi wala lahat ng screws niya. So bibilihan lang natin lahat. Tapos pagbalik natin, iwawash natin, tapos kabit yung bagong battery. Tapos salpak na natin yung fairings. Tapos kabit natin yung bagong brake master. Stainless screws para dun sa bearings natin. So iwawash lang natin mabilis yung unit tapos kabit natin.